Hi and welcome to a new video. In this video, I will show you how I made these figures. Please don't forget to like and comment, and best case, subscribe. This would help us tremendously. Let's start. First, go to ImagR.com and click Background Removal in the top menu. Upload the image you want to turn into a figure. When the background is removed, download the image. Next, go to ImagR in the top menu and upload the image as grayscale. Use the crop tool to cut the image exactly to its boundaries and click Crop. Then resize the image to its final engraving size. For DPI, use 318. If you don't know your DPI, please watch the video in the top right corner. Before we continue, download the image as PNG for later. Let's choose a material. Since I engrave on birch plywood, I choose Kaja wood. One touch will fix shadows and lighting issues. For images like this, I usually disable sharpen and denoise. Now use color correction to remove any very dark areas in the image. With levels, you can limit the blacks, so I increase levels slightly to avoid overburn in dark areas. I also decrease the white so there are pixels in all regions and no empty spots. With gamma adjustment, we can flatten the midtones for more consistent engraving. That's it. Download the file as PNG. Now navigate to Vectorize in the top menu. Upload the image we saved after the resize. Set the brightness threshold to 0 and download the result as an SVG. Import that SVG into your laser program. Click the outline, color it red, and move it aside. Select and delete the small artifacts in the middle. Center the outline with the P key. Import the prepared image and center it with P as well. Copy the width of the prepared image, select the outline, and paste the width. Make sure the lock is closed so the ratio stays correct. Draw a rectangle at the bottom of the outline. My wood is 3 millimeters thick, so I set the rectangle height to 3 millimeters. Move it into the outline so they overlap. Then slightly increase the rectangle size so it ends up around 3 millimeters in height after subtracting the overlap. Copy and paste this rectangle for the figure's stand. Draw another rectangle for the slot and center it on the copied rectangle. I increase the slot height slightly so the fit is easier. Move the image away from the outline. Select the rectangle in the outline. Go to Tools, open Boolean Assistant, and choose Union. This combines the rectangle and outline into a single shape. Select the image again and center it with P. Now arrange the shapes and you're ready to run the job. Make sure the layer order is correct so the image engraves first and then the parts are cut. For my 80-watt CO2 laser, I use 120 millimeters per second, 15% maximum power, and 1% minimum power for engraving. Very important, make sure the pass-through option is activated. If not, it will process the already prepared image again and ruin it. For cutting, I use 15 millimeters per second, 25% maximum power, and 20% minimum power. Run the job. As you can see, the different browns look great. Nothing is overburned and the details are sharp. When it's finished, use a soft brush to remove residue and you'll have a clean, stunning figure. Depending on how the light hits it, the tones stand out nicely. I really like the effect of cutting the figure out. Now I cut the stand, slightly adjust it in width so it won't tip over. As you see, it looks incredible. Let's try another one. The second one uses the same workflow, so I'll speed it up. The only changes are in levels and gamma. Just make sure there are no very dark areas and no completely white areas. That's basically all I change in levels and gamma. Got questions about levels? Watch the video tutorial on our channel. In my view, levels is a must-have for great, consistent engravings. I linked it in the video description. It looks awesome as well. Again, a soft brush to remove residue. And I'm happy with a lovely figure of a walking boy. I think the brownish tones are even better than on the tiger, and the detail is excellent. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps us a lot. Try it yourself, and maybe even make your own game with your own figures. It's a great gift for family and friends. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.